Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Frame Hold in CapCut to create smooth and creative cuts for your videos. Let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Then here import the video you want to edit and play through your clip and pause at the exact moment that you want to freeze. And tap the video, then look at the toolbar at the bottom and select Edit. Now choose Freeze, and this creates a still frame right at that spot. You can extend or shorten the freeze by dragging its edges on the timeline. Use this freeze frame for creative transition, adding text, or even highlighting funny moments. And to make it more stylish, you can layer effects, stickers, or split the video right after the freeze for dramatic cuts. And that's how you use a frame hold in CapCut to make creative cuts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.